shear. We haven't found that deer yet, but there is another 8-pointer. He's our only shooter at this point, but I've been seeing him on the cameras the past few days, mid-morning and early evening. So like I said, it's been wet the past few days, so walking in here this morning was actually pretty nice. This is a big piece of timber. Pretty much 90% of the 65 acres is covered in timber, so it should be an awesome day out in the saddle, so stick with us. Alrighty guys, it's about 10:30 now. Haven't seen any movement besides that bear this morning, who actually came back through here maybe about a half an hour ago and passed my stand again. At about 8:15 or so, it started raining for about a half an hour, and after the rain stopped for the past probably 2 hours or so, the wind has picked up and the acorns have just been dropping like crazy all around me. I'm surprised I haven't been hit with one yet, but just checked the radar. We're gonna be good for another hour and a half, 2 hours, and then there potentially may be another rain band coming up through. So before that gets here, I'll probably double check the radar again and just see whether or not we're gonna sit through it or pack it up for the day and head on out. Like I said, very windy, very wet. I'm hoping tonight into tomorrow this hurricane down south starts to dissipate a little bit, and things start to dry out and settle down. My thought is, as soon as this weather is gone and things start to dry out, I really think the deer are going to move a lot. So I just got to time it out right to make sure I'm in the stand at that point. But so 10:30 now, we're gonna hang out for a while and we'll see what we see. Well guys, it's about 12 o'clock now. Just checked the radar again, and there is a pretty good sized rain band coming up in about a half an hour or so. So I think I'm gonna call it for today at this piece, and pack up and get out of here before I get soaked. The storm that's coming looks pretty good size, so I'm afraid I'm gonna get soaked if I try and sit here the afternoon into the evening. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today and get on out of here. With that being said, guys, we want to thank you for watching today's video. We really appreciate you guys tuning in and following along this hunting season. Both myself and Tyler are super excited to be back out in the woods again, and we hope you guys are having a great season as well. So with that, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.